I've adopted this personality trait. I hate sewing machines. At first, it was because I couldn't use one. Frustrated because a machine was bad at something I was good at. The machine made me bad. And frankly, my pride, it couldn't take it. So I thought, oh, well, I'm good at sewing by hand. Haven't you ever heard of a sewing machine? Why don't you use one? People can't imagine hand sewing something. Most can't even imagine putting 2 pieces of fabric through a machine that does the work for them. I hate sewing machines because I believe they box people's abilities and creative aspirations. They take accessibility away from the craft. Now, if you make with a sewing machine, this isn't about you. But why is the question of craziness on me? Considering some systems and how industrializing makes things worse,